can't believe this. As you can see, we're celebrating our summer back to school event.
Hey, this is Bill Brandmeier. We're out at a Temple Made fitness event at the zoo. The best place to do animal movements anywhere. ShareWaves is helping kids play sports all over the city. We're partnering with Tony Temple and Temple Made Fitness to do animal movements. We need your help. You can sign up on our website. You can donate. You can really help us help kids because kids need our help.
Thank you guys so much for coming out. This is one love here. We appreciate you so much, Kansas City. This was for you.